Nightmare Freddy. I'm vlogging, as you can see, but it is our Nightmare Freddy. You might have seen my song. I went crazy because I listened to Five Nights at Freddy's version a whole bunch. Found out I sang the Bendy version. So yeah, I don't know why. And then this is what happened. But we're gonna be outside. I'm gonna teleport us outside. 3, 2, 1. Before we go, I'm gonna show you this dead body. Bye. Now 3, 2, 1. We're gonna run outside in 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1. We're actually gonna be there very shortly because I accidentally shut down powers instead. To be there very shortly.
Oh, we can go outside.
Ouch! I banged myself on the leg where I gotta use my powers to fix it. I can only use my powers to fix myself. Let's go. I'll walk in. Oh, why is the door wide open? The door's wide open.
It's the bright light. In the camera looks like the bright light.
It's the bright light now.
What? It's the spotlight.
Okay. We're out here, guys. Oh, some person. Yeah, so we're out here. Oh, I heard there was some fellers here. Oh, I like to say fellers instead of fellas. There were some fellers. Yeah, the Fowler Show. It's so great. There's this new thing on TikTok called the Baldy Show instead of the Fowler Show. It's so stupid, the Baldy Show. But the Fowler Show.
It's so tough. This fresh air. Fresh air. I'm finally. I should probably go to this place called Walmart. I don't even know what it is. It's called Walmart. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Do you dare me to jump on the grass?
Oh, what?
I'm gonna jump on the grass. No. Ouch. I think I fell in some poison ivy.
Okay, stay over here. That car's gonna take off.
Poison ivy.
That was the car that was gonna take off. Yeah, I think I stepped into poison ivy barefoot. So that's not good. Oh, my pelvis is backwards. Hold on, kids. My pelvis is backwards.
What's a pelvis?
A pelvis is your groin.
Oh.
Pelvis
No,
is
it's
your
not really your groin.
crotch.
It's your pelvis. It's your waist. Pelvis is the waist.
Okay.
Stay over here. Get up.
Yes.
Get up. Back here, Mike.
I know. I'm back. Jump.
Oh, what the fudge?
I just died when I fell in some more poison ivy. Ew. I think it's contagious to the one who's holding me. Own it. Out. Powers.
Luke, where are you?
Where's Lucas? Find him. Just kidding. It works. My time machine worked. I'm just kidding. My powers worked. Oh God! It's a Betty. Oh fuck! My legs. So I'm Mr. Bendy Boy,
Yeah, this is behind the scenes. Look, it's just pausing the video and then unpause because basically it's an action for what just a man objects.
Nope. It's about stuff. So yeah, I'm a ouch. Oh, it's some random kid. Hey there, kid. It's me, Nightmare Fred Boy.
Me, Mendy. Bendy in the what the heck?
Run.
What the fudge? What the fudge?
Run. Ouch. Oh. What? Stop.
Ouch. Sometimes though. But
Nightmare Freddy. I haven't been using my voice that up. Look at the friendly red bugs. They're my favorite. Red ants. Yeah, they're my favorite. They attack people. And they're my favorite because I am a nightmare animatronic. I would like to attack. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. There's a muddy puddle here. I'm not. That's disgusting.
We attack people.
Well, we can push people into the muddy puddle. Yes, that would be all. That would be good for the nightmare animatronic. Okay, so yeah.
Yeah, we attack you. Why don't you like us?
I don't know. The technical difficulties. Hear the music of the technical difficulties. Music. Ouch, 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 ouch. Fix myself. That's the end of this vlog. See you later. Mashed potatoes. Bye.